औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लाखों करोड़ों दुरूद नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम और आपकी आल पर। Welcome to my channel Knowledge with Badr. Dear viewers, if you are new to this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe it for latest and updated videos. Without wasting more time, let's start today's video that is about for basic or fundamental top 100 questions about computer science. So let's begin today's tutorial without wasting more time. Question number 1. UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer, Universal Array Computer, Unique Automatic Computer, or Unvalued Automatic Computer? And the correct answer is Universal Automatic Computer. Question number 2. The basic operations performed by a computer are arithmetic operation, logical operation, storage and relative, all the above. And the correct answer is all the above. Question number 3. The two major types of computer chips are external memory chip, primary memory chip, microprocessor chip, both B and C. And the correct answer is both B and C. Question number 4. Microprocessors as switching devices are for which generation computers? First generation, the second generation, third generation, or the last fourth generation? And the correct answer is fourth generation. Next question. What is the main difference between a mainframe and supercomputer? Option A. Supercomputer is much larger than the mainframe computers. Option B. Supercomputers are much smaller than the mainframe computers. Option C. Supercomputers are focused to execute few programs as fast as possible, while mainframe uses its power to execute as many programs concurrently. And option D. Supercomputers are focused to execute as many programs as possible, while mainframe uses its power to execute few programs as fast as possible. And the correct answer is C. The next question. ASCII and ABCDIC are the popular character coding system. What does ABCDIC stands for? Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, Extended Bit Code Decimal Interchange Code, Extended Bit Case Decimal Interchange Code, and the last one, Extended Binary Case Decimal Interchange Code. And the correct answer is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. The next question. The brain of any computer system is ALU, memory, CPU, or the control unit? Yes, you can say that the brain of any computer system is CPU. The next question. Storage capacity of a magnetic disk depends on tracks per inch of the surface, bits per inch of tracks, disk pack in disk surface, or all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. The next question. The two kinds of main memory are primary and secondary, random and sequential, ROM and RAM, all of the above. And the correct answer is ROM and RAM. The next question. A storage area used to store data to compensate for a difference in speed at which the different units can handle data is memory, buffer, accumulator, both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. It means memory and buffer. The next question. Computer is free from tiresome and boredom. What we call it accuracy, reliability, diligence, or versatility? Yes, it is diligence. The next question. Integrated circuit ICs are related to which generation of computers? The first generation, second generation, third generation, or the fourth generation? And the correct answer is third generation. The next question. CD-ROM is a semiconductor memory, memory register, magnetic memory, none of these. Yes, it is none of these. The next question. A hybrid computer resembles digital computer, resembles analog computer, resembles both a digital and an analog computer? None of the above. And the correct answer is resembles both a digital and analog computer. Next question. Which type of computers uses the 8-bit code called EBCDIC? Mini computers, microcomputers, mainframe computers, or the supercomputers? Yes, EBCDIC code is used by mainframe computers. That is 8-bit code. The next one. The ALU of a computer responds to commands coming from primary memory, control section, external memory, or the cache memory. And the correct answer is control section. Next question. Chief component of a first generation computer was transistors, vacuum tubes and valves, integrated circuits, none of the above. Yes, vacuum tubes and valves. Question number 18. To produce high quality graphics, hard copy in color, you would want to use RGB print monitor, plotter, inkjet printer, or the laser printer. And the correct answer is plotter. The next question. What are the stages in compilation process? Feasibility study, system design and testing. B. Implementation and documentation. C. Lexical analysis, syntax analysis and code generation. And the final one, none of the above. And the correct answer is lexical analysis, syntax analysis and code generation. The next one. Which one of the following IC was used in third generation of computers? SSI, MSI, LSI, are both A and B? And the correct answer is both A and B. It means the IC types SSI and MSI were used in third generation of computers. Next question. The main electronic component used in the first generation computer was transistors, vacuum tubes and valves, integrated circuits, none of the above. Yes, vacuum tubes and valves. Next question. A dumb terminal has an embedded microprocessor, extensive memory, independent processing capability, a keyboard and screen. And the correct answer is a keyboard and screen. The next one. 1 millisecond is equal to 1 second, 10th of a second, 1000th of a second, and 10,000th of a second. And the correct answer is 1000th of a second. The next question is, the output quality of a printer is measured by dot per square inch, dot per inch, dots printed per unit time, all of the above. And the correct answer is dot per square inch. The next question. Which of the following was a special purpose computer? ABC, ENIAC, EDVAC, all of the above. And it was ABC. What was the computer invented by Atomos and Clifford? Mark 1, ABC, Z3, none of the above. And the correct answer is ABC. Question number 27. Which of the following storage devices can store maximum amount of data? Floppy disk, hard disk, compact disk, and magneto-optic disk. And the correct answer is hard disk. Next question. Which symbol is used for processing flowchart? Rectangle, parallelogram, diamond, or oval? And the correct answer is rectangle. A physical connection between the microprocessor memory and other parts of the microcomputers is known as path, address bus, route, all of the above. Yes, it is called address bus. Next question. High density double-sided floppy disks could store dash of data 1.4 MBs, 1.44 GB, 1.40 GB, or 1.44 MBs. And the correct answer is 1.44 MBs. Next question. The high quality CAD system uses the following for printing, drawing and graphs: dot matrix printer, digital plotter, line printer, or all of the above? And the correct answer is digital plotter. Next question. Which of the following is not an input device? OCR, optical scanner, voice recognition device, or COM, computer output to microfilm? And the correct answer is computer output to microfilm. The accuracy of the floating point numbers representable into 16-bit words of a computer is approximately 16 digits, 6 digits, 9 digits, or all of the above. Yes, it is 6 digits. The next question. In most of the IBM PCs, the CPU, the device drivers, memory, expansion slots, and active components are mounted on a single board. What is the name of the board? Motherboard, daughter board, breadboard, or the fatherboard? And the correct answer is motherboard. Which generation of computer can use Sonobel language? First generation, second generation, third generation, or the fourth generation? And the correct answer is third generation. Magnetic discs are the most popular medium for direct access, sequential access, both of above, none of above. Yes, both of above. Question number 37. A technique used by codes to convert an analog signals into a digital bit stream is known as pulse code modulation, pulse stretcher, Q reprocessing, or Q management, and it is called pulse code modulation. The next one. Regarding a VDU, which statement is more correct? It is an output device, it is an input device, it is a peripheral device, or it is a hardware item? Yes, it is a peripheral device. A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for doing quick mathematical calculations, B. Input, storage, manipulation, and outputting of data, electronic data processing, performing repetitive tasks accurately. And the correct answer is input, storage, manipulating, and outputting of data. When was vacuum tube invented? 1900, 1904, 1910, or 1880? And the correct answer is 1904. The next question. Which of the following produces the best quality graphics reproduction? Laser printer, inkjet printer, plotter, or dot matrix? Yes, the plotter. Computers with 80286 microprocessor is XT computers, AT computers, PS over 2 computers, none of the above. Yes, AT computers. An application suitable for sequential processing is processing of grades, payroll processing, both A and B, all of the above. Yes, both A and B. The next question. Which of the following is not processing? Arranging, manipulating, calculating, or gathering? Yes, gathering. Gathering is not processing in fact. The digital computer was developed primarily in USSR, Japan, USA, or UK. Yes, the digital computer was developed primarily in USA. Software in computer enhances the capabilities of hardware machine. B. Increases the speed of central processing unit. C. Both of above. And D. None of the above. And the correct answer is enhances the capabilities of the hardware machine. Question number 47. Which software helps in finding and removing errors in programs? Linkers, text editors, loader, or debugger? And the correct answer is debugger. Who developed Java language? Dennis Ritchie, Microsoft, Sun Microsystem, or IBM? And Java language was developed by Sun Microsystem. Question number 49. The arranging of data in a logical sequence is called sorting, classifying, reproducing, or summarizing. Yes, sorting. Question number 50. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? To produce results, to compare numbers, to control flow of information, or to do maths work. And the responsibility of logical unit is to compare numbers. Abacus was the first electronic computer, mechanical computer, electronic calculator, or the mechanical calculator. Yes, it was a mechanical calculator. Next question. If in a computer 16 bits are used to specify address in a RAM, the number of addresses will be 216, 65,536, 64K, or none of the above. And the correct answer is 65,536. The next question. Instructions and memory address are represented by character code, binary codes, binary words, or parity bit. And the correct answer is binary codes. Question number 54. An easiest file management model is Window Explorer, My Briefcase, Control Panel, or My Computer. And the correct answer is My Computer. The next question. A set of flip-flops integrated together is called counter, adder, register, or none of the above. And the correct answer is register. People often call dash as the brain of computer system, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, central processing unit, or the storage unit. And it is called the central processing unit. Next question. Which is used for manufacturing the chips? Bus, control unit, semiconductors, or A and B only? The correct answer is semiconductors. Semiconductors are used for manufacturing of chips. The value of each beat in heaven is 1, 3, 5, or 7. And the value is 5. A device that connects multiple nodes to the network is a hub, modem, a router, or a repeater. Yes, it's a hub that connects multiple nodes to the network. The next question. When was C language developed? Late 1960s, early 1970s, 1980s, or in 1990s? And yes, C language was developed in early 1970s. Instruction in computer languages consist of opcode, operand, both of above, none of the above. Yes, it is both of the above. The shortcut key for renaming folder or a file is F3, F1, F2, or F4. And the shortcut key for renaming of a folder or a file is F4. 63. The voice channel has a bandwidth of 0 to 2 kHz, 0 to 4 kHz, 5 to 10 kHz, or 10 to 20 kHz. And yes, it is 0 to 4 kHz. One nibble contains 8 bits, 6 bits, 4 bits, or the 16 bits. Yes, one nibble contains 4 bits. Which is considered a direct entry input device? Optical scanner, mouse and digitalizer, light pen, or all of the above? Yes, all of the above. The next question. A set of information that defines the status of resources allocated to a processor is process control, ALU, register unit, or process description. And the correct answer is process description. Each set of Napier's bone consisted of dash rods 5, 9, 11, or 13. Yes, it was consist of 11 rods. BCD is binary coded decimal, bit coded decimal, binary coded digit, or bit coded digit. Yes, it was a binary coded decimal. A combination of 16 bits is called bit, byte, nibble, or word. Yes, it is called a word. From which generation operating system were developed? First, second, third, or the fourth? Yes, operating system were developed from the fourth generation. Fox Pro is a microprocessor, a disease, a virus, a computer language. Yes, it is a computer language. 72. Fortran is a computer language. It is used for business applications, scientific research, word processing, or tabulation. Yes, it is used for scientific research. The next question is properly arranged data is called field, words, information, or file. Yes, it is called information. Question number 74. A computer consists of a central processing unit, a memory, input and output unit, all of the above. Yes, all of the above. Question number 75. Why are vacuum tubes also called valves? Because they can amplify the weak signals and make them strong. Because they can stop or allow the flow of current. Both of the above, none of the above. And the correct answer is because they can stop or allow the flow of current. John Napier invented logarithm in 1614, 1617, 1620, or none of the above. Yes, John Napier invented logarithm in 1614. The next question, an integrated circuit is a complicated circuit, an integrated device, much costlier than a single transistor, fabricated on a tiny silicon chip. Yes, fabricated on tiny silicon chip. The next question, what is an organization's introductory web page called? Postal, virtual, home page, or website? Yes, it is called website. Question number 79. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobytes, 1 megabytes, 1 gigabytes, or 1 terabytes? Yes, it is equal to 1 kilobytes. The next question, which of the following is used as primary storage device? Magnetic drum, hard disk, floppy, all of the above? Yes, it is all of the above. Question number 81, which is not a highest level language? COBOL, COBOL, C++, assembly, or the Pascal? And the correct answer is assembly. Question number 82. The address bus is unidirectional, bidirectional, multidirectional, or no direction? Yes, it is unidirectional. Question number 83. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document is editing, writing, formatting, all of the above. Yes, it belongs to formatting. Question number 84. OAS stands for Office Automation System, Official Automation System, Official Appliances System, or Office Arrangement System. Yes, it belongs to Office Automation System. A logarithm and flowchart help us to know the memory capacity, identify the base of a number system, direct the output to a printer, specify the problem completely and clearly. Algorithm and flowchart help us to specify the program completely and clearly. The next one, which statement is valid about computer program? It is understood by the computer, it is understood by a programmer, it is understood by a user. Both A and B, which is the correct one? Yes, both A and B, it is understood by a computer, it is understood by a programmer. The next question is, the difference between memory and storage is that memory dash and storage is temporary and permanent, permanent and temporary, slow and fast, are all of the above. The difference between memory and storage is that memory is temporary and storage is permanent. Question number 88. When was Pascaline invented? Yes, it was invented 1617, 1620, 1642 or 1837. And the correct answer is 1642. Pascaline was invented in 1642. The next question, what is a pass-through a loop called? Execution, iteration, enumeration, or culmination? Yes, it is called execution. A compiler is a translating program which translates instructions of a high-level language into a machine language. B. Translate entire source program into machine language program. C. It is not involved in program's execution. And the D is all of the above. So let's see the answer. A compiler is a translating program which translates instructions of high-level language into machine language. The next one, what is required when more than one person uses a central computer at the same time? Light pen, mouse, digitizer, or the terminal? Yes, it requires terminal. 92. The term gigabyte refers to 1024 bytes, 1024 kilobytes, 1024 megabytes, or 1024 gigabytes. And the correct answer, the term gigabyte. Gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. Question number 94. Which of the following is the first computer to use stored program concept? UNIVAC, ENIAC, EDSAC, none of the above. And it is EDSAC. Question number 93. In which year was UK's premier computing event called? 1980, 1985, 1986, 1987, and the correct answer is 1980. How many types of lists are commonly used in HTML pages? 2, 3, 4, or 5? Yes, for 4. The next one, what is a brand? The name of companies that made computers. The name of the product a company gives to identify its product in market. C. A name of class to indicate all similar products from different companies. All of the above. Yes, the name of the product a company gives to identify its product in market. The next one, machine language is machine dependent, difficult to program, error prone, or all of the above? Yes, it is all of the above. 98. A byte consists of 1 bit, 4 bits, 8 bits, or 16 bits. And the correct answer is 8 bits. Question number 99. Modern computers are very reliable, but they are not fast, powerful, infallible, or cheap. Yes, they are not infallible in fact. Question number 100. Which software controls basic input-output device? Device driver, antivirus toolkit, business software, or operating system? Yes, an operating system controls basic input-output device. Thank you so much for watching, my viewers. If you're having any comments regarding this video, you may share your feedback in a comment section. Thank you so much for joining me. Take good care of yourself.